it's not always easy. We have the bigger our databases, and now we have, I think, over 40,000 apps using us. Some of them are really large. We have over 2 billion like unique active users that branch sees every day. Because of that, it's actually really hard to look at data. So we sometimes have to figure out what's the best way and how can we like cut the data in a specific way. Maybe it's only like for a specific week we look at all the apps, and we look at ways to do this well. And I wouldn't say that it's like, I think every company and the way they structure their data is different. So I wouldn't say it's the easiest thing to do. I mean, and the problem is not we actually have all the data, right? So we know it's very easy to do for one company. We can go and say, hey, this company doubled their MAUs because we actually show the data on the dashboard. But when you aggregate data from like thousands and thousands of companies, it can become very complicated to actually like pull that data and get insights from it, just because the raw computing power of like running a query on their data, sometimes it can take hours.